All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. Today we're talking about the OnePlus 13. Yes, I did pull the trigger, folks. I had every intentions not to and to wait on the OnePlus Open 2, but I'll probably still grab the OnePlus Open 2. I actually really love the OnePlus Open. It is such a great phone, but there are some things about the OnePlus 13 that I said I gotta go ahead and pull the trigger on this. So I got up this morning. I didn't do the early bird either. So before I get into this, if you did the early bird, you got a $50 credit or something like that. What else did you get? Because I didn't do the early bird, but when I logged into my account to purchase, there was $50 there saying early bird. So are we still in the early bird phase? So I got the $50 off, and then also got $100 off the phone. I'm pretty sure everybody got that because that's what they're offering in this initial dump of the devices trying to get people to purchase. So I got $150 off the phone. I got a free Watch 2. Initially, when I logged in to do this during the so-called early bird phase, like before today, January 7th, the Watch 2s were gone. You know, they were just doing the Watch 2R. And I was like, okay, well, I really want the Watch 2 since I'll be, going with the OnePlus 13. I assume the Watch 2 is supposed to be better than the Watch 2R. But I just didn't do it. And I was like, I don't want to do this early bird. They were kind of hiding information about the phones. Well, today it's out. 6,000 milliamp hour battery, 512 gigs of storage in the extended storage is what they're calling it, something like that, with 16 gigs of RAM. And the regular standard version is 256 gigs of storage with 12 gigs of RAM. So why they're not listing it that way on the website is strange, but the mystery of OnePlus, you know how they do. But anyway, yeah, so with this purchasing of this morning as of January 7th, got $150 off the phone technically with the $50 and the $100 on the phone that was marked down. And then I got the Watch 2. It was actually available, so I got it. And then I bought a case because the OnePlus 13 doesn't have MagSafe like iPhones do. MagSafe is built in, so it doesn't have that, but their cases do, because they've got like wireless chargers you can snap on the back and things like that. But I was intrigued by that. So, and it's not the first time a company has done this, obviously, but OnePlus is into it now. So I was like, why not? Because I have so many MagSafe things around the house and in my cars. So I bought me a nice case, and it was on sale for $32. It was $40. It was $8 off. So I saved a little bit of money buying it, and I thought I was gonna have to pay like a higher price if I waited, but I might be paying a higher price. So what did you get? So all you early bird adapters, what did you get for doing this early bird order where you pay the $50 deposit? Did you get an additional $50 off? Did you get $200 off the phone? Because my total came to $150 off the phone with the $50 credit that I saw there, and it said early bird. So I don't know. Maybe they're doing different sections of the early bird. I'm not really keeping up with OnePlus like that because getting caught up into all the things they do instead of just selling the phones is a little annoying. So that's what I did. I bought the OnePlus 13, the higher storage version. I got a case, and I was able to get the watch at no cost. So out the door, I paid $950 after taxes, like $952 or something like that, 54. So with everything. So the watch free, $150 discount off the phone, and then I bought the case for $32. So the higher storage is actually $1,000. It's $999, and it came to $899 for me. So this is pretty good. I think what OnePlus is doing here is, for me, all they have to do is have the phenomenal cameras that is on this phone right here or better, and I'll be okay with it. So, but one thing I think is really going to be impressive to me is that 6,000 milliamp hour battery. OnePlus is talking about on the website like stacked battery technology and stuff like that. The IP rating now is IP69. Different things that make it a little bit of an appealing purchase. But I'm ready to just use it. I'm ready to just use it because I really like OnePlus phones. And I really like my Pixel 9 Pro and my 9 Pro XL, but I'll be swapping over to the OnePlus 13 shortly here once it comes in, and comparing it more along the lines to the XL, and seeing how it compares to that phone. I know it's probably going to beat the Pixel 9 Pro XL in battery because, my Pixel 9 Pro XL it doesn't have better battery than my Pixel 9 Pro for some reason. I don't know what it is. I've reset it. I've done all kinds of things. It just doesn't. But nonetheless, I'm excited about the OnePlus 13. What did you order? Did you get a OnePlus 13? If you did the early bird, did you get $200 off? What did you get for doing those early purchases? I watch a lot of streams. I watch Gigi and I watch Eric and I watch multiple streams from them. And people talked about how they ordered. They was like, it's a no-brainer. Of course I did the early bird with the $50. But I wonder if they got more because honestly, I was able to get everything I wanted. The color, the watch color, and I threw a case in there since I had that extra $50. So, what did you guys get for doing that early purchase? Did you get like an extra $100 on top of the 150 that was already marked? What'd you get? It's your man Jay. If you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Comment down below what you ordered. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.